According to the World Migration Report 2026 by IOM, which country remained the world's top remittance recipient in 2024? So, the correct answer is India. Next question. The Swasth Bharat portal, launched in May 2026 by Union Health Minister Jagat Prakash Nadda, is primarily designed to. Correct answer is integrated multiple digital health applications under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare into a single interoperable platform. Next question. According to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, estimates by how much could the Swasth Bharat portal reduce the administrative burden on frontline health workers? Correct answer is up to 40%. Next question. Who formerly launched the Central Prabhari Officer portal in May 2026? Correct answer is Nidhi Chiber, CEO of Niti Aayog. Next question. The Reserve Bank of India in May 2026 gave approval to Kotak Mahindra Bank to acquire an aggregate holding of up to 9.99% of paid up share capital or voting rights in which banks? Correct answer is AU Small Finance Bank and Federal Bank. Next question. Geo Payments Bank partnered with EasePay to expand banking to rural areas. EasePay will work as. Correct answer is business correspondent. Next question. Bihar Cabinet approved a 500 million World Bank loan in May 2026. What is the loan mainly for? So, the correct answer is strengthening urban centers and developing integrated urban economic zones. Next question. IIT Madras opened its first USA center in 2026 to help Indian startups. It is located in. Correct answer is Menlo Park, California. Next question. Skyroot Aerospace became India's first space tech unicorn in May 2026 after raising. Correct answer is 60 million. Next question. Vikram 1, India's first privately developed orbital rocket, is being launched by which company? Correct answer is Skyroot Aerospace. Next question. In May 2026, the International Olympic Committee lifted restrictions on athletes from which country, allowing them to compete under their own flag and anthem? Correct answer is Belarus. Next question. How many main types of Olympics are recognized by the IOC? Correct answer is four types: Summer Olympics, Winter Olympics, Youth Olympics, and Paralympics. Next question. World Asthma Day 2026 was observed on May 5th, 2026. Next question. A nationwide annual health checkup initiative for workers above 40 years of age was launched by which ministry? Correct answer is E. Ministry of Labor and Employment. Next question. Who won the South Asia Regional title at the Cambridge Dedicated Teacher Awards 2026? Correct answer is Soma Mandal from GD Goenka Public School, New Delhi. In 2026, Bulgaria's parliament approved whom as the new prime minister? Correct answer is Roman Radev. Next question. Apple will invest 100 crores in India's renewable energy sector in partnership with which company? Correct answer is CleanMax. Next question. Deepak Bhatia, Managing Director of Uncle's Shop Building Material Trading, received the prestigious Earth Dubai Award 2026 under which category? Correct answer is Best Private Sector Entity Award. Next question. India's first international ophthalmology research conference will be held in which city? Correct answer is Delhi. Next question. DRDO and IAF successfully conducted the Medan flight trial of the indigenous Tara glide weapon off the coast of which state? Correct answer is Odisha. Next question. The government launched which digital platform for maternal and child healthcare in 2026? Correct answer is Janani. Next question. In 2026, RBI imposed a penalty of 31.80 lakh on which bank for non-compliance with the certain KYC provisions? Correct answer is Yes Bank. Next question. In 2026, RBI imposed a penalty of 1.8 lakh on which housing finance company for regulatory non-compliance? Correct answer is Hinduja Housing Finance Limited. Next question. RBI reported a modest 6% profit rise in quarter 4 of financial year 2025-26. What was the reported net profit? Correct answer is 19,684 CR. Next question. On the occasion of World Thalassemia Day, the Union Health Ministry launched which mission? Correct answer is Mission Zero Thalassemia. Next question. What is the fair and remunerative price of sugarcane fixed by the government for the 2026 season? Correct answer is 365 per quintal. Next question. According to the National Crime Record Bureau, Crime in India 2024 report, which metro city recorded the highest number of cyber crimes? Correct answer is Bangalore. Next question. World Migratory Bird Day is observed on 9th May. What is the theme for 2026? Correct answer is Every bird counts. Your observations matter. Next question. India will host the inaugural World Yogasan Championship from June 4th to 8th, 2026. In which city will it be held? Correct answer is Ahmedabad. Next question. Which South Korean company launched the fifth edition of its flagship innovation education program in India in 2026? Correct answer is Samsung. Next question. To accelerate responsible AI adoption in healthcare, India AI signed an MOU with which organization in 2026? Correct answer is ICMR. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban 2.0 was launched in which year? Correct answer is 2024. Next question. Which state is among the best performing states under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban 2.0? Correct answer is Odisha. Next question. CyberSuraksha.ai was recently launched by which organization to tackle AI-based cyber threats? Correct answer is SEBI. Next question. The Border Roads Organization celebrated its 67th Raising Day on 7th May 2026 with what theme? Correct answer is PRO creates, connects and cares. Next question. Invisible barriers, the cost of non-tariff measures report was released by which international organization? Correct answer is UNCTAD. Next question. What is the full form of UNCTAD? The correct answer is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Next question. Jan Suraksha schemes, which completed 11 years in May 2026, include which of the followings? Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana. So the correct answer is first, second, and third. All of above. Next question. As per Ministry of Finance, what is the total amount of insurance claims settled under Jan Suraksha scheme since 2015? Correct answer is 25,160 crore. Next question. Axis Bank raised US $500 million from which Japanese banking group in 2026? Correct answer is Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group. Next question. RBI recently signed an MOU with which central bank for cooperation in central banking? Correct answer is European Central Bank. Next question. India and Vietnam have set a bilateral trade target of $25 billion to be achieved by which year? Correct answer is 2030. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Defense Staff in 2026? Correct answer is Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of the Naval Staff in 2026? Correct answer is Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. Next question. Who became the ninth Chief Minister of West Bengal in 2026? Correct answer is Suvendu Adhikari. Next question. National Technology Day is observed every year on which date? Correct answer is 11th May. Who became the 50th President of Costa Rica in 2026? Correct answer is Laura Fernandez. Next question. The Viksit Bharat G Ram G Act 2025 will come into force across India from which date? Correct answer is 1st July 2026. Next question. How many days of wage employment per financial year are guaranteed to a rural household under Viksit Bharat G Ram G Act? Correct answer is 125 days. Next question. Viksit Bharat G Ram G Act 2025 replaces which existing scheme? Correct answer is Mangrega. Next question. What is the budgetary allocation for Viksit Bharat G Ram G for financial year 2026? Correct answer is 95,692 crore. Next question. The Supreme Court of India recently launched which two digital initiatives to improve case management and legal assistance? Correct answer is One Case, One Data System and So Sahay AI chatbot. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently inaugurated the PM Mitra Park in Warangal, Telangana. What is the total project cost? Correct answer is 1695 crore. Next question. PM Mitra scheme stands for. Correct answer is Prime Minister Mega Integrated Textile Regions and Apparel. Next question. How many PM Mitra parks are planned under this scheme? Correct answer is 7. Next question. Which ministry is the nodal ministry for PM Mitra scheme? Correct answer is Ministry of Textiles. Next question. What is the total outlay for PM Mitra scheme? Correct answer is 4,445 crore. Next question. What is the implementation period for PM Mitra Parks? Correct answer is 7 years. Next question. According to the Renewable Energy Statistics 2026 report by IRENA, India ranks third globally in installed renewable energy capacity with 250.52 gigawatt, which two countries are ranked first and second. Correct answer China and USA. Next question. India has set a target of achieving how much renewable energy installed capacity by 2030 under the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Correct answer is 500 gigawatt. Next question. The Nanaji Deshmukh Sarvottam Panchayat Satat Vikas Puraskar in National Panchayat Awards 2025 was awarded to which Gram Panchayat? Correct answer is New Napam Gram Panchayat, Assam. Next question. The fourth India Africa Forum Summit is being held in New Delhi from 28 to 31 May 2026. It is being organized with the help of which entity? Correct answer is African Union Commission. Next question. Under ODOP, which product is identified for Kutch district, Gujarat? Correct answer is Kutch embroidery. Next question. One district, one product is an initiative of which department? Correct answer is Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. Next question. India is set to host the Asian Weightlifting Championship 2026 in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. When was the last time India hosted this event? Correct answer is 44 years ago. Who became the 15th Chief Minister of Assam? Correct answer is Himanta Biswa Sarma. Next question. ONDC stands for. Correct answer is Open Network for Digital Commerce. Next question. ONDC was launched by which department under the Government of India? Correct answer is Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, BPIIT. Next question. Which platform launched the Swadeshi marketplace to promote Made in Bharat products under the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision? Correct answer is DG Hut. Next question. India and IFAD launched a new rural development program for 2026 to 2033. IFAD stands for. Correct answer is International Fund for Agriculture Development. Next question. I4C and RBI Innovation Hub signed an MOU to curb cyber frauds and mall accounts. I4C stands for. Correct answer is Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center. Next question. Kuljeet Kaur Marhas became the first Indian woman scientist to be selected as a fellow of the Meteorological Society for 2026. She is associated with which institution? Correct answer is Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad. Next question. Which is the first Caribbean country to adopt UPI? Correct answer is Trinidad and Tobago. Next question. As per the statement, which country is going to be the 26th member of the International Big Cat Alliance? Correct answer is South Arabia. Next question. India's first low emission zone will be established in which city? Correct answer is Pune. Next question. India inaugurated the Kimberley Process Intersessional Meeting 2026 in Mumbai. What is the theme of the meeting? Correct answer is credibility, compliance, consumer confidence. Next question. India will host the BRICS Foreign Ministers meeting in New Delhi. The meeting will be chaired by S. J. Shankar. Next question. India approved a $1.4 billion Bharat Maritime Insurance Pool to safeguard trade. It was announced by the Department of Financial Services under which ministry? Correct answer is Ministry of Finance. Next question. Retail inflation in India rose to what percent in April 2026? Correct answer is 3.48%. Next question. Who has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Oman? Correct answer is Prashant Pais. Next question. Chief Justice of India Suryakant announced a committee for modernization of courts. Who is the head of this committee? Correct answer is Justice Aravind Kumar. The center granted a 1 year extension to which CBI director? Correct answer is Praveen Sood. Next question. On the occasion of 75 years of inauguration of Somnath Temple, who offered Mahapuja during the Somnath Amrit Parva celebration? Correct answer is Narendra Modi. Next question. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs approved India's first high-speed double-line rail project between Ahmedabad and Dholera, Gujarat. What is the estimated budget? Correct answer is 20,667 crore. Next question. Which union minister launched the Unified Bharat e-Charge National EV charging platform described as UPI for EV charging? Correct answer is H.D. Kumar Swamy. Next question. Public sector banks registered a record net profit of how much in financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is 1.98 lakh crore. Next question. The capital to risk weighted assets ratio for scheduled commercial banks improved to what percent in 2026? Correct answer is 16.6%. Next question. Total business deposits plus advances of PSB in financial year 2025-26 stood at? Correct answer is 283.3 lakh crore. Next question. What was the year-on-year growth rate of total business of public sector banks in financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is 12.8%. Next question. Gross advances of public sector banks grew by 15.7% year on year to how much in financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is 127 lakh crore. Next question. What is the minimum capital to risk assets ratio to be maintained for public sector banks? Correct answer is 11.5%. Next question. The minimum CRAR required for small finance banks and payment banks is? Correct answer is 15%. Next question. Moody's slashed India's 2026 growth forecast to? Correct answer is 6%. Next question. Asian Development Bank and India will complete how many years of partnership in 2026? Correct answer is 40 years. Next question. Uber will set up its first data center in India with which group? Correct answer is Adani Group. Next question. Government of India has increased the effective import duty on gold and silver to. Correct answer is 15%. Next question. Samagra Shiksha and PM Poshan schemes were temporarily extended till. Correct answer is 30 September 2026. Next question. Samagra Shiksha, the integrated school education scheme covering preschool to class 12, started in which year? Correct answer is 2018. Next question. What is the budget allocated for PM Poshan Mid-Day Meal Scheme for 2026-27? Correct answer is 370 crore. Next question. Yoweri Museveni has been sworn in as president of Uganda for the. Correct answer is fifth time.